Introducing the world's most powerful 24-volt cordless tool system. Greenworks brings you the most high-performance tools with the longest runtime in their class. With one interchangeable 24-volt battery, power over 200 Greenworks tools for all your home, garage, or yard projects. Complete your yard work quickly and quietly with enough power life left to help your neighbors. Whether tackling your to-do list or a weekend project, Greenworks keeps you going. Greenworks combines cutting-edge battery technology and advanced brushless motors for the best in performance and efficiency. From professional-grade results to ease of use, Greenworks offers unbeatable value. Power all your projects with Greenworks.